And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to put text behind an object in a video. This is for static shots, so I've got this basic shot where you can see the boats are moving, but Westminster in the background is static, so there is no movement there. I'll definitely make a video about moving objects as well, so how, for example, in this case, could you put text behind the ships instead of Westminster, but this video is for putting the text behind the static object. At first, make sure that no elements are selected in your timeline. If they are, just left click somewhere in the timeline to deselect them, then use the text tool. I'll just type in Westminster, so I'll left click on my preview window and then I can type something in. Now this element is active and I see it in my effect controls. Let me move it somewhat in center. I can open the drop down and adjust it here, for example, the size of it. And also the color. I've used the color picker right here to sample a color from the original. So just move it to an object and it's going to take the color in real time. For example, this reddish color right here of the flag. I'll stick to this sky blue and I confirm we're okay. I also used a bold style. It's an inbuilt font, Premiere Pro, you should have it yourself. Then go to the opacity, but once again, we are here in this text element. You can open the drop down if it's not open, and then click on the pen tool, for example, and a new mask will be generated automatically. You could also use the square or the ellipse. Let me zoom in. And now I draw this element over the building. Let me go down with the opacity for the text, so that we can see the building in the background. And when I want to close this shape, I just hover over the last of these anchor points and then a left click. This should automatically close the mask. And then you can still readjust these anchor points. Just left click and drag them. For now, the text is inside of the mask and we want to have it inverted. So check this box right here. You can see there's a little bit of a feather going on. So we can adjust it right here with the mask feather. Let me keep it like to 4. Mask expansion, you can expand the mask. We don't need it here, so I'll keep it at 0. And the mask opacity, if you adjust this, it's going to adjust the entire text. So let me bring back the full opacity and then I go up and down with the mask opacity and you can see it adjusts the entire text, so keep it at 100%. We're good here. And if I zoom out now and roll the clip, you can see this is kept for the entire duration of this shot. So this is basically the effect. You can still adjust it afterwards, so if you don't like the sky blue and you want to make it white, the mask will still be applied. And this is how you can put text behind static objects in videos. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.